Want to get paid to help entrepreneurs and businesses without needing a full-time job or expensive credentials? You're in the right place. In this episode of Internet Paydays, we're diving deep into how you can become a virtual assistant using cutting-edge AI tools to offer premium services, save massive amounts of time, and earn significantly more than traditional VAs. The virtual assistant industry is booming, with businesses spending billions annually on remote support. But here's the game changer. Most VAs are still doing everything manually, which means you have a massive opportunity to stand out by leveraging AI. Let's get into it. Why virtual assistants are in demand. Every single day, entrepreneurs, small business owners, content creators, and corporate executives are drowning in tasks. They need help, but hiring a full-time employee is expensive, complicated, and comes with overhead costs like benefits, office space, and equipment. That's where virtual assistants come in. You provide specialized support remotely, and businesses get the help they need without the commitment of traditional employment. High-demand tasks you can get paid for: administrative support, social media management, content creation and marketing, customer service, financial and operational tasks. What to offer as a beginner virtual assistant? The biggest mistake new VAs make is trying to offer everything to everyone. Instead, start focused and expand as you gain experience and confidence. Starter service packages, social media package. I will create 15 Instagram posts with captions and hashtags tailored to your brand. Email management package. I will organize your inbox, create folders, and establish email rules. Organization and systems package. I will organize your Google Drive with proper folder structures and naming conventions. Content support package. I will research and outline 4 blog posts per month. AI tools that boost your services. This is where you gain your competitive advantage. These AI and automation tools will help you deliver 10 times faster while maintaining high quality. Content creation and writing, ChatGPT, free and paid. Draft professional emails in seconds. Generate social media captions and post ideas. Jasper AI or Copy.ai, specialized for marketing copy. Design and visual content, Canva, free and pro. Create professional social media graphics. Design presentations, flyers, and infographics. Remove.bg, instantly remove backgrounds from images. Mid-Journey or DALLE, generate custom illustrations and graphics. Create unique visual assets for clients. Video editing, CapCut, free. Edit short-form videos for TikTok, Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Descript, edit videos by editing text transcripts. Project management and organization. Trello, visual board system for task management. ClickUp, all-in-one project management. Notion, build custom databases and wikis. Social media management. Buffer or Hootsuite, schedule posts across multiple platforms. Later, visual Instagram planner. ManyChat, automated social media messaging. Scaling your VA business. Once you've established yourself with a few clients, it's time to think about growth and scaling your income. Scaling strategy 1. Increase your rates. As you gain experience and demonstrate results, raise rates for new clients every 3 to 6 months. Provide grandfathered rates to loyal clients. Transition from hourly to value-based pricing. Scaling strategy 2. Package your services. Create done-for-you packages. 5-day social media content bundle, $297. Email sequence setup, $500. Business systems audit, $750. Packaged services are easier to sell and deliver than custom hourly work. Scaling strategy. 3. Use more automation. Automate repetitive tasks. Set up Zapier workflows for common processes. Create templates for frequent deliverables. Build systems. Document your processes in SOPs. Create swipe files of successful work. Develop onboarding sequences. Standardize reporting formats. Scaling strategy 4. Subcontract and build a team. When you're at capacity, hire other VAs to handle overflow. Focus on client relationships while delegating tasks. Common mistakes to avoid. Mistake 1. Underpricing your services. Don't compete on price. Compete on value, speed, and expertise. Cheap clients are often the most difficult. Mistake 2. Not having contracts. Always use written agreements. Protect yourself legally and set clear expectations. Mistake 3. Saying yes to everything. Focus on your strengths. Refer out work that's not in your wheelhouse. Mistake 4. Poor time management. Block time for client work, admin tasks, and business development. Don't let client work consume 100% of your time. Mistake 5. Not investing in tools. Free tools are great, but paid versions save time and look more professional. Your tools are your business infrastructure. Mistake 6. Ignoring taxes and bookkeeping. Set aside 25 to 30% of income for taxes. Track expenses. Use accounting software. Consult with an accountant. Mistake 7. Not marketing yourself. Client acquisition never stops. Always be building relationships and visibility, even when you're busy. Mistake 8. Burnout from overworking. Set boundaries. Take breaks. Don't sacrifice your health for client work. Sustainability is key to long-term success. Resources and next steps. Free tools to start today. ChatGPT, writing and ideation. Canva free, graphic design. Trello, project management. Google Workspace, Docs, Sheets, Drive. Loom free, video messages. Recommended paid tools, ChatGPT, plus $20 per month. Canva Pro, $13 per month. Grammarly, Premium, $12 per month. ClickUp, $7 per month. Calendly, $10 per month. Learning resources, Skillshare and Udemy for VA courses. YouTube for tool tutorials. Facebook groups for VA community support. Reddit, r/freelance for advice and job leads. Offering AI-powered virtual assistant services is one of the most flexible, accessible, and scalable ways to earn money online in 2025. You don't need a degree, expensive equipment, or years of experience. You just need to start, stay consistent, and continually improve your skills. The businesses that need your help are out there right now. They're overwhelmed, stretched thin, and looking for someone reliable who can take tasks off their plate using modern tools and smart systems. By positioning yourself as an AI-powered VA, you're not just another assistant. You're a strategic partner who helps businesses grow while you build financial freedom and location independence. Before you go, subscribe to Internet Paydays so you don't miss future episodes on making money online. Hit that notification bell. Comment below with the VA service you're most excited to offer. I read every comment and will personally reply with tool recommendations to help you get started. And if you found this valuable, share it with someone who's looking for a flexible way to earn income online. Remember, every successful VA started exactly where you are right now. The only difference between them and you is they took action. Your future clients are waiting. Go get them. See you in the next episode of Internet Paydays.